Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to set up and configure the Server 2008 virtual machine. So we go to Oracle VirtualBox and then we click Start. And here we can go scaled mode. Okay, just cancel. I just want to make the screen bigger. And I go insert Control Alt Delete and insert the password. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my computer on the desktop. And the next thing I'm going to do then is I'm going to set the IP address. So I go to command prompt, type in ipconfig/all. Okay. So then we go network and sharing. Manage network connections. So now just click back. Then we go properties. Deselect IP version 6 because we're not using it. Then go to IP version 4 and go properties, and then we go use the following address. It's 192.168.0.14. And the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Our default gateway is 192.168.0.1. And our preferred DNS is 208.67.220.220, and then we click OK. Close and close. Type run cmd and we just go ping google.ie to make sure our internet connection is working and hit enter. Excellent, so that's working now. We've an active internet connection. The next thing we need to do now is configure the name of the server. So to do that, you right click my computer, go properties, go advanced system settings, go to computer name and call it server 1. And then we go in here to change and we call it server 1 again. And go OK. And we have to restart the server for the settings to take effect. Go apply and go restart now. And then we come down here, click input and insert Control-Alt-Delete, and I put in the password again. Sorry now. Okay, so we can just close out of that. And what we need to do next now is I'm going to set up the server as a domain controller. So to do that, I have to go to Start, Administrative Tools, and I have to click Server Manager. So here I go Roles, Add Roles, and just go skip this by default, or I can just leave that. So what we do then is we click Next. So here we go Active Directory, Domain Services, and DNS Server. Okay, so it won't allow me. So we might actually install DNS at a later stage in installation. So just for the moment, just leave it on Active Directory, Domain Services, and then we click Next. Click Next and click Install. So the installation might take a few minutes. Then we click Close. And what we have to do next now is the machine has to be upgraded to a domain controller. So here we just type in DC promo, PROMO, and then we go Next. go next, and we go create a new domain in a new forest, click next, and now we type in the name of our domain. So I'm going to call it lrc.local. Then we click next, and then we click the functionality level, and we click server 2008, and then we click next, and then see here DNS server, so then we just click next, then we just click next, and then we just click next again, and here we put in for our recovery password. So I'm going to put in my own password, LI, and then we click next, and now it's working on the installation. So this might take a few minutes, so feel free to get yourself a cup of tea or whatever, and hopefully by the time you come back it might be finished. And then we click finish. And to finish the Active Directory installation, the server has to be restarted. So I'll just click restart now. Now we'll just come down here and go input and insert Control Alt Delete, and I'll type in my password. Okay, now just bear with me. So we can just don't show this message again, so just click that and close. And now our server is set up as a domain controller. One thing I like to do running Server 2008, I actually like to change the wallpaper. Desktop background. So what I'll do is I'll just go on the internet. Let's go google.ie. And just click OK. And click here to continue. And what I want to do is I want to type in Windows Server 2008 wallpaper. That's okay, click close, then we just go images. Okay, that's probably not working because the browser is out of date. Not to worry anyway, we can do it at a later time. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how to set up user accounts in Active Directory. So to do that, you go click Start Active Directory and Active Directory Users and Computers. Then we go here lrc.local, go click down here to Users, and then we right click, go New User. So I'm going to put in my own name, which is John, and last name is Burke, B-O-U-R-K-E, and then we go John, or I'll just leave it as J Burke, and then we click Next. And now we have to set a password. So a password complexity is enabled on this server, so you have to set a password with capital letters and numbers. So I'll choose my password now. Then we click Next and Finish, and now the user account is set up. So I'll just get back to trying changing the wallpaper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the Firefox browser. Hit yes. And then I'll go here, click download Firefox and go click here, continue to this website, click OK and click add, close, and then I'm going to click add again and close, and then I'm going to click that's okay, and then I'm going to click download now, click add, close, okay, so just click try downloading again. English Windows 32-bit. Click continue. Click add and add. And then I click save, and it'll go to the downloads folder, and I click save. So now it's downloading to the Firefox browser. And then I'll click run, then I'll click run again, and now it's starting hopefully the installation of Firefox. It's in a different language, doesn't really matter. And then we'll just click here, which is not important anything. So here I go to google.ie, and then I go to server 2008 wallpaper. Sorry, no. And then I go here. So what I do then is I bring up this picture and I right click. So let me save. So the picture is saved. So then I go to my downloads folder. Public downloads. Okay, I can't find that. Anyway, the server is set up. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. And thanks, like, and subscribe.